Hello guys, gabi na naman and today is, wait lang, anong araw today? Ano ba? Sunday, 14 ng gabi guys, and we are preparing ourselves kasi alis kami at maghahanap na naman ng makakain. And then I bought a dress and sa tabi-tabi ko lang siya binili dito, tingnan nyo. Ganda, summer na summer dress talaga. And naka-sale siya kaya binili ko. From 27 euro, nasa 20 euro na lang. So I've decided ito yung susuotin ko tonight. And today is Sunday. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice evening. Pero sobrang init dito the whole day. Kaya yung ginawa namin ni Martin is we just stayed at home. And nag-watch kami ng Netflix, ganyan. Umalis kami konti, kumain ng lunch, tapos nag-ice cream din, ganyan. Pero the rest of the day, dito lang kami kasi init nga. And then today, it's 8:40, so wala ng araw, gabi na. So, lalabas kami and ita-try namin yung restaurant na nakita niya sa Google na maganda daw yung review. Walking distance lang din dito. Everything should be walking distance kasi ayaw natin magsakay-sakay ng bus at mga taxi-taxi para mas madali. So, yun. So, ito yung outside, guys. Ito naman lagi yung view ko eh. Yan, gabi na siya. Labas muna tayo dito. Ang ganda, ganda talaga ng lightning. Parang nasa Pinas lang talaga. See? Tapos there, parang mountain siya na may napakadaming mga buildings and houses. Ganyan. Ang ganda. Feeling ko pag ganito ang view, no? Parang nasa lang ako. Nasa Moalboal, Cebu. O sa Boracay. Ganyan. Tapos yun yung dagat dyan. Diyan kami kumain kanina. Diyan. Pero yung kinain namin shake tapos ice cream. Ganyan. Ganda. Ang ganda ng view guys. As in super ganda. I'm so happy being here.
Hello guys, how are you doing? We are doing great in Crete. We're going out for dinner. This is a little one in the back. This is a big guy in the front. We will go out and eat something. It will probably be a steak, a burger, a ribs, or something else. She probably wanna have a fish. I 100% don't. That's it. Enjoy.
You know what? Palis na tayo guys. Kain-kain. Kain tayo.
I spent so long just wondering. For years I was adrift, directionless and wayward, lost like a swallow on a cliff.